Hi everyone, I'm Julie Kruger and I'm the owner of Kruger Immigration Law, where we love helping our clients achieve their dreams without borders. We are a boutique immigration law firm headquartered in Buffalo, New York, and if you have an immigration matter and you'd like to speak with me about your case, give me a call at 716-393-9878 or email me at julie@krugerimmigrationlaw.com. We'd love to help see if we can find the best strategy for your case. So it was a difficult week for immigration this week. We have two bad news, things that make it more difficult for immigrants to come to the United States, both related to green card cases. At the beginning of the week, the Supreme Court determined that the Trump administration can implement its new rules about the public charge ground of inadmissibility. So what that means is that the Trump administration last fall tried to introduce new rules about how to determine if someone who is coming to the United States is going to become a public charge. Basically, someone who needs government assistance in order to be able to live and meet their needs. Immediately after announcing those new rules, various groups sued the Trump administration, and while those cases were pending through the courts, several judges issued injunctions or paused those rules going into effect while the court cases were processing. However, the cases have wound their way through the courts. They're now up at the Supreme Court. However, the Supreme Court has decided that while the cases continue to process through the courts, that those rules can go into effect. So that means that the Trump administration, the new rules that they wanted to introduce last fall that have not gone into effect are now going to go into effect. They're going to start February 24th, and the Trump administration this coming week, the first week of February 2020, is supposed to be releasing forms and instructions about how they're going to be implementing these new public charge rules. I previously did a really detailed video on the new public charge rules that was from October, so that you can find that on my YouTube channel and learn all about what those new public charge rules are, how they're going to affect green card cases. I believe at the time I did that video, they were only affecting cases, adjustment of status cases or change of status from within the United States. They are now going to affect both adjustment of status and change of status cases and immigrant visa processing. So those new public charge rules make it extremely difficult for individuals to show that they are not going to go on government assistance, and are really a dramatic change in the immigration laws. So that's one major change that happened this week in immigration law. The second was announced yesterday on Friday, that the president is expanding the travel ban. So previously in 2017, the president introduced a travel ban barring foreign nationals from several countries from entering the United States for various purposes. And that is now being expanded to 6 new countries. And those countries include Nigeria, Myanmar, Eritrea, Sudan, Kyrgyzstan, and Tanzania. So some of the countries, there's different rules about which countries are going to be banned from what. Most of the countries are going to be banned for all immigrant visa purposes. 2 of those countries are just going to be banned for diversity visa purposes. So if you are from one of those countries and you are looking to apply for an immigrant visa to come to the United States, basically that's the green card process from outside the United States, you are going to be subject to these new travel ban rules. And I would strongly recommend that you reach out and seek legal counsel, find someone who is an experienced immigration attorney who handles travel ban waiver cases, who can help you through this process. So the travel ban previously that was announced in 2017, our firm has a lot of experience in handling travel ban cases, and we saw that the first year or two of the travel ban waiver process, that it was really chaotic, very long processing times. We have seen over the last year that those cases are now processing more smoothly, that there is a more clear waiver process, that the criteria for applying for a waiver of the travel ban is more clear and seems to be better understood. So if hopefully that travel ban waiver process will continue for the countries that are being added to the ban, but that is definitely something that you don't want to handle on your own, that you want to reach out for experienced help with an immigration attorney so that you can get your case moving through that process as quickly, as smoothly as possible. So unfortunately, 2 new negative things that impact immigrants, people who are trying to come to the United States in immigration law this week. The travel ban, 6 new countries added to that, and the public charge new rules, making it much more difficult to establish that you will not go on government assistance in the future in the United States, also started also this week. So please, if you are interested in these kind of topics, you want the latest immigration information, subscribe to our channel. I post new videos every couple weeks with the new information, changes in the law and policy, tips and tricks to how to process your case as fast and smooth as possible. If you do have an immigration case and you'd like to speak with me about your case, give us a call. My phone number is 716-393-9878. My email is julie@krugerimmigrationlaw.com, and you can find us on the web at www.krugerimmigrationlaw.com. You can submit an online inquiry through our website. Thanks so much for joining us. Have a great night.